Now, if you do much work in your shop or your garage, you're bound to make a mess.
Most people use a broom and a dustpan to clean up the dust and debris you find in a workshop, or they'll use a wet dry vac like this one here. But the problem with a wet dry vac is you have to tow the machine all over the shop, and it doesn't roll very well, and it's not very convenient. What I've come up with is a better way, a more convenient way to use the vacuum to clean up the floor. What I took is a wand from the vacuum, and I screwed it to the wall using two perforated metal straps that you can get at any hardware store. Simply use 4 drywall screws to attach the strap to the wall, and then at the end I put a floor sweep nozzle. And then all you need to do is hook the vacuum up to the wand, flip on the power, and it automatically sweeps it up.
I'm ready for you, Joe.
All right, let me hook it up. Flip on the switch, and you can start sweeping.
That works pretty good, Joe.
Yeah, in this case, I took the floor sweep nozzle and have it pressed tight to the floor. If you're picking up large wood chips or chunks of wood, you'll have to raise it up a little bit.
And you may want to buy an extra wand so that you can leave this one attached to the wall and still have one to use with your wet dry vac.